In the video you will watch, the disassembly process of the GHS 175-4-760K type telescopic cylinder is demonstrated. First, the spherical upper bearing is removed. The rear cover set screw is heated and removed. The rear cover is removed using a chain removal tool. The first stage is pushed forward with the help of a tool. The spherical head set screw is heated and removed. The spherical head is removed. The first stage wire segment is removed. The first stage is disassembled with the help of a tool. The outer segment is removed. The second stage is pushed forward with the help of a tool. The second stage wire segment is removed. The second stage nutring dust seal and bearing are removed. The second stage inner segment is removed. The second stage outer segment is removed. This process is applied to all stages. Thank you for watching.